Hello everyone, you were asking me to make some Christmas dinner menu. So last week we made a soup and today I'm gonna show you how you can make delicious Christmas main course with chicken, Brussels sprouts puree and glazed carrots. So let's do it. And let's start with Brussels sprouts puree. Before I chop them, I pick few nice layers for my garnish and keep them on the side for later. The rest I will chop into the quarters. I also need some lemon juice. So I squeeze one lemon and let's start cooking it. I get vegetable oil and butter inside the pan and I sweat Brussels sprouts for few minutes. Season it with salt and then put some honey in. Keep roasting for another few minutes. Finish it with lemon juice and water. And I'm gonna cook it until sprouts will be soft. The next thing I will do is easy garlic chips. So I peel some garlic and slice it as thin as I can. Then I make my oil hot and put the garlic in. Wait until I get nice color. Take them out on paper towel. Season them with salt and chips are ready. At this time, our Brussels sprouts cooked, so I put double cream in, bring it to boil, and I'm gonna blitz it properly. I will check the seasoning. For sure, I need more honey and salt. Pass it through the chinois and delicious Brussels sprouts puree is ready to go. For my garnish, I will use some carrots, so I just clean them a little bit with a sponge and cook them in salted boiling water for few minutes. For my glaze, I need orange juice, so I squeeze 2 oranges and start with sugar on the pan and make brown caramel first. Then put orange juice in, season it with salt, white wine vinegar and star anise and leave it to reduce down. And if you're enjoying today's recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you're first time here, click the subscribe button down below so you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel I'm gonna teach you every week how to cook like a pro at home. Carrots are cooked now, so I just cut them in half and put them inside my glaze and leave them inside until I need them. And now, let's start with cooking the meat. So I will season this chicken breast with salt and pepper, and I'm gonna make nice crispy skin first. Then I will flip it around, roast it for 1 more minute, and then move it inside the oven to finish it. On the same pan, I will do my sauce. So I put white wine, allspice and fresh thyme in and leave it to reduce down. Then is coming my homemade stock. Reduce it down again. Pass it through the chinois. Finish it with butter and sauce is ready. Meat is ready as well, so I will take it out from the oven and leave it to rest. In the meantime, I will steam my Brussels sprouts. After a few minutes, slice the meat and let's do the plating. I start with beautiful chicken breast with crispy skin. Then is coming Brussels sprouts puree, carrots glazed with orange juice and star anise, few steamed Brussels sprouts, delicious garlic chips, some carrot tops, and finish it with super shiny white wine sauce. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you would like to learn fine dining cooking from me personally, understand how to create your own dishes or improve your plating skills, you can apply for my one-on-one online coaching on my website chefmajk.com. And if you will be good fit, I will make from you the best home cook in your town. That's everything for today. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.